Thank you all so much for the very, very friendly and warm welcome here in Samoa. The Queen's Baton left Fiji in the early hours of this morning. It was still dark when we left, but we've arrived to not so much the sunshine, but definitely the sunshine coming from the people here in Samoa who have been involved in the relay so far. This Queen's Baton is going around the entire Commonwealth, and it's currently on the longest journey in history. It's going around the Commonwealth in 288 days, and it's covering over 230,000 kilometres, and a few of those kilometres will be here in Samoa over the next couple of days as well. It's a historic journey that only takes place every 4 years for the Commonwealth Games. And this baton is on its way to the Gold Coast in Australia for the 2018 Commonwealth Games, which will be held in April next year. And you've all been part of that historic journey here today. The Queen's Baton symbolises peace, it symbolises diversity, sustainability, inclusivity as well, and it also symbolises friendship, as the Commonwealth Games are known as the Friendly Games as well. The Queen's Baton represents the Gold Coast as it represents our past, our present and our future. The back is made by macadamia wood, and macadamia trees are native to the Gold Coast, and that represents our Indigenous heritage, as the local Indigenous people of the Gold Coast, the Yugambeh language group, would plant the macadamia seeds as they travel through the land to mark their path, and also as a form of food as well. So that represents our past. The centre, which holds the baton together, represents the present. It's made by a stainless steel stringer, and it has all of the Commonwealth countries that the baton is travelling to, all 70 of them. So if you all looked closely today, you would see Samoa on the baton. And the front, the leading edge, the white part, represents the future, and it's made by reclaimed plastic that we collected from the ocean, the beach, the waterways of the Gold Coast, so the plastic bottles, the containers, the glass, and we moulded for the front to send a message of sustainability around the Commonwealth as well. And then the Queen's message. Her Majesty Queen Elizabeth II placed her message into the baton on Commonwealth Day this year, and that same message that you have all touched here today will be taken out and read aloud at the opening ceremony of the Games, which will be on the 4th of April next year, and that declares them officially open, calling together all of the athletes of the Commonwealth, including Samoa, to come together in peaceful and friendly competition. And if it's anything I saw today, we've got some fine athletes who will be representing Samoa at the Commonwealth Games next year, and I hope that you'll all be cheering on, either from the Gold Coast or back here in Samoa in April next year. Thank you.